Hey guys, this is just one guy, and I just wanted to give you a behind the scenes of me 3D modeling because I thought this was pretty funny. Now, what I'm trying to do is take this little cube right here and just add a bit more detail. Is it playing? Yeah, there we go. But it ended up taking me about a good 2-3 hours to get what I wanted, which is this cube right here. And that's just because the method I was using to create it. Because even though it looks pretty simple, I was using a bunch of new methods that I hadn't used before to get more detail within my 3D modeling. And so the more I learn about this, the more complex shapes I can make. And I thought this was a pretty cool shape right here. And it turned out pretty good on the final output of the building, but it just took such a long time to create because of the particular method I used to create it, which is good for getting a lot of detail. But when you watch how simple it is and how long it took me to actually figure this out, uh, it's actually pretty funny. And I thought it was interesting, which is why I recorded the video. Now all it is I'm just using the tools to basically bevel the edges, and then I pull it in a little bit, the next level, and then bevel again, and then pull it in, and then bevel again. And it's really simple what I'm doing. It's just keeping track of the method for each side of the cube, which is what really took me a long time because I would do one side right and then do the other side wrong. Also, one thing I didn't notice was how the edges of the cube, let me just pause this, like right here, will interact if you bevel each side of the cube. Because what I'm trying to create is this right here. You can see I did it on one side, but I was trying to do it on all four sides. But in the end, I came up with something pretty good looking, and I learned a new modeling technique. Anyway, I'm just going to speed up the video so you can watch the rest of it. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.